Begin by positioning the motor at full trim. Place a container underneath the lower unit to catch the drain gear oil. Locate the lower gear oil drain plug and remove it first. Then, remove the gear oil level plug to drain the gear oil completely. Once the oil is fully drained, trim the motor down to a position 4 degrees from vertical. Now, fill the gear case with the recommended gear oil through the oil drain hole until oil just starts to flow out from the oil level hole above. Before removing the oil filler tube from the drain hole, make sure to install the oil level plug securely. Then, quickly secure the lower drain hole plug to avoid any leaks.